a good introduction to AS should contain three different elements. Firstly, the historical event needs to be set in its correct historical context, so put it in its right place in time. Prove to the reader that you understand where the events you are talking about fit into the history. Secondly, you need to identify your argument. History and historical essays are planned, they are contrived pieces of work. It's not something that you think about as you write, it's something that you plan before you start. Therefore, if it's planned, you know what the answer is going to be. We don't want one of these essays where the introduction is vague and non-committal, and then the essay goes in different directions as and when you think about stuff as you write, then to reach a conclusion at the end. You need to know what the answer is before you start, because you have to plan the argument. It has to be known before you start. You then thirdly provide the plan. Okay, what are you going to do in order to prove that your argument is correct? Now, obviously, initially, you will argue why your case is correct, and then you will explain why other interpretations are not correct, and quantify the significance of your argument. In this then, World War I proved to be a very key reason why America returned to isolationism. So this would be seemingly suggesting that this is the argument. Many people didn't want more soldiers dead, and people were afraid of the cost of wars in the future. Context. When the President also rejected the Treaty of Versailles, this meant that the US would not be joining the League of Nations, and the League could not be successful without one of the most powerful countries. The US began to fear foreigners, meaning immigration was reduced and policies were designed to keep Africans, Asians and South Americans out. So, which of the elements are present in this? Well, we certainly have what would seem to be an argument, the importance of World War I in this particular essay in returning America to isolationism. The context, what that would do to the world, and other reasons why America stayed out. Fear of foreigners, controlled immigration.